Strange facts about fish that live in total darkness. These fish have never seen light, not once, and they don't need it. Far below the surface of the ocean is a world without sunlight, without color, and without day or night. A place where vision becomes useless, and survival depends on entirely different rules. In this Dark Depths documentary, you're going to learn strange, unsettling facts about fish that live in total darkness, how they sense the world, how they hunt, and why many of them look like biology made a mistake. And around 70% into this video, there's one fish so adapted to darkness that scientists originally thought it was malformed, until they realized it was perfectly designed. If creepy ocean mysteries and terrifying deep-sea creatures pull you in, subscribe now. This descent only gets darker. Total darkness is not the same as night. When most people imagine darkness, they think of night, moonlight, starlight, shadows. But the deep sea doesn't experience night. It experiences absence. Below roughly 1,000 meters, sunlight disappears completely. Not dim light, not faint glow, nothing. This is not a cycle. It never changes. It has never changed. Fish born here will never experience sunrise. They will never see color. They will never cast a shadow. And because of that, darkness is not frightening to them. It is normal. Most people miss this. Fish in total darkness aren't adapted to darkness. They are adapted to never having light at all. And that changes everything about how their bodies work. Some fish have eyes that barely work. On purpose. In a world without light, eyes become optional. Some deep-sea fish still have eyes, but they are enormous, sensitive, and slow. These eyes aren't built to see detail. They're built to detect movement. A single flicker, a brief glow, a shadow crossing darkness. Other fish take a different approach. Their eyes shrink, degenerate, or disappear entirely. Blind cavefish and certain abyssal species navigate without vision at all. Instead, they rely on vibration, pressure waves, and chemical cues. To them, sight is inefficient. Most people miss this. Losing eyes isn't a weakness. It's an energy-saving strategy. But when vision disappears, something else has to replace it. Fish that feel the ocean instead of seeing it. Fish that live in total darkness don't see the world. They feel it. Many rely heavily on the lateral line, a sensory system that detects tiny changes in water movement. This allows them to sense approaching prey, nearby predators, obstacles in complete darkness. Some species can detect movement so subtle, it's equivalent to feeling a heartbeat through water. Others use chemoreception, essentially tasting the ocean to track food over long distances. In darkness, smell becomes vision. This creates a strange reality. These fish often know something is nearby before it knows they exist. Most people miss this. In total darkness, the first creature to move is often the one that loses, and that's why these fish behave in ways that feel deeply unnatural. Strange bodies built for a world without light, without sunlight. There is no camouflage through color, so deep-sea fish abandon beauty entirely. Many are transparent. Others are jet black, absorbing what little light exists. Some are covered in reflective surfaces that confuse predators. Their bodies are often soft, flexible, and unfinished looking. Jaws unhinge, stomachs stretch, bones reduce or vanish. These fish don't chase prey, they wait, because movement costs energy, and energy is rare. Some deep-sea fish can survive months without eating. Their metabolism slows to a crawl. Time moves differently in darkness. Most people miss this. In total darkness, urgency disappears. But waiting only works if food eventually arrives. Bioluminescence. Light used as a weapon. In a world without sunlight, some fish create their own. Bioluminescence is everywhere in the deep sea. But it isn't decorative, it's tactical. Anglerfish use glowing lures to draw prey closer. Dragonfish emit red light invisible to most animals. Others flash patterns that confuse or stun. Light in total darkness is not comfort. It is bait. It is deception. It is danger. Most people miss this. In the deep ocean, light doesn't mean safety. It means something wants something. Would you trust a light in total darkness? Or avoid it at all costs? Comment below. And one fish takes this concept further than almost anything else. This is the moment teased earlier. The barrel-eye fish. At first glance, it looks broken. Its head is transparent. Its eyes appear misplaced. Its skull looks unfinished. For decades, scientists believed specimens were damaged during capture. They weren't. The barrel-eye's head is naturally transparent. Its eyes rotate inside its skull, allowing it to look upward for silhouettes or forward to feed, without moving its body. In total darkness, movement is a liability. So this fish sees without revealing itself. Perfect stillness, perfect patience. This isn't a flaw, it's precision. If you want more documentaries about creatures built for impossible environments, subscribe to Dark Depths. This is only one layer of the ocean. Why darkness makes these fish feel unsettling. These fish disturb us because they break expectations. They don't react the way animals should. They don't move when we expect them to. They don't panic. In total darkness, reaction time slows. Stillness dominates. And stillness feels intentional. Most people miss this. These fish aren't watching us. They simply don't need to respond. Would you explore a place where nothing reacts to your presence? Tell me in the comments. Fish that live in total darkness don't see the world the way we do. They feel it, taste it, sense it. They survive without light, without urgency, and without fear of the unknown, because darkness is all they've ever known. And to them, we are the strange ones. In the next video, we're diving even deeper to explore deep-sea fish that shouldn't exist at all. Watch that next. Because in the darkest parts of the ocean, darkness isn't an obstacle, it's the environment.